From innovative faucets to kitchen sinks, you can count on Moen for thoughtful design. Moen's quality, style, and performance are proven above and below the sink. What makes Moen's GX series of garbage disposals different from the rest? The story starts with performance. Moen's Vortex motor powers every model. When powered on, the permanent magnet motor immediately operates at full speed, similar to many power tools. The Vortex motor is the powerhouse behind the Moen disposal's fast and powerful grinding action, allowing them to tackle tough kitchen scraps and helping to reduce jamming. It's continuous feed, so it will grind as long as the unit is powered on. All this power is contained within a compact, lightweight design, making installation easier. The Universal Express mount fits all Moen and most existing 3-bolt mounting assemblies with a simple twist and lock installation. Once mounted to the sink, reattach the plumbing and simply plug in the unit. The power cord is pre-installed, providing a cost and time savings. Inside the disposal, Moen's SoundSHIELD is designed to help reduce motor and grinding noises to quiet your cleanup. Moen offers a portfolio of garbage disposals that vary by horsepower and length of warranty. The GXL1000C and GX100C, the GX75C and GXS75C, and the GX50C. High-speed revolutions per minute, combined with higher horsepower levels, means more grinding power and strength for tougher kitchen tasks. All models include an easy-to-clean removable splash guard and all required components for most installations. Plus, you'll find peace of mind with Moen's in-home service warranty. The same best-in-class customer service provided with all your current Moen products is the same service you can expect with our garbage disposals. There's also a range of Moen products available to complement your kitchen. Moen, performance you can trust, above the sink and below.